Hi viewers, in this video I'm going to make a review on Gama model number 2 fountain pen, and it is a plastic eyedropper fountain pen. If you see, it is having 5 color variants. One is gray pattern and green pattern and brown pattern, yellow pattern and red pattern. So there is a silver clip, gold clip and gold rings, and at the bottom it is very flat, and the barrel is very transparent. If you see inside, there is number 8 nib. Again, in this nib, G logo is not present, but anyhow, in the body Gamma is engraved. And removing the nib and feeder is very simple. Just hold the nib and feeder together and just twist it, it will open. Yeah, so for assembling, just you press it together and the nib will go in position. And let us see the writing of this particular pen. Normally the number 8 medium nibs will be very smooth. Penhouse.in is one of the best pen shops in India. It is writing really well. It is very smooth. It is gliding actually. So as a tip, whenever you fill ink in this barrel, please maintain a level below the inner threads. Don't fill up to this area. You just fill up to this area. And apply Vaseline on the threads of the grip, so that on long usage the thread wear will be minimum, so leakage will be minimized in the sense it will not come for shorter time, and in long time see wear and tear is unavoidable. But if you use proper Vaseline greasing, definitely it will extend the life. So this is the small review on this pen, and if you have any other questions regarding this pen, and you can leave in the comments so that we can answer you. I hope this video helped you. Just by seeing the photos you cannot understand certain things, but seeing the video you got the things better. Thanks for watching this video.